Hello YouTube, it's me from Magic Man 1, and I learned a Chrysandra trick, and I want to tell you guys it. I won't show the trick, I'll just show you how it's done. I have one king, but it's double backed, okay? You see, double backed. You can either go to a magician store, or you can take two cards together, and that's what I did. Because I just don't want to save money. That's one red card, take to a black card. Just, make sure it's very stuck together so there's like no gaps. You got one king, you got another double back, right? That's the queen of spades, taped with the ace of diamonds, the queen of hearts, taped with the ace of clubs. Then you got four other aces. Make sure they're all same colors. Doesn't matter with the back cards though. Then you must have a pinky break, so you just gotta show I have all these cards right here, so you can count them up like this, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But when you square it up, what you can do is you can grab it. So see, you can grab it like that, because I got hearts, spades, and diamonds. So then you can just hold it like that. Then you gotta grab all the aces. Make sure the ace of spades is at the top though. Okay? You flip it over like that. Then when you have your pinky break, what you do is you just lift it to the corner like this. So go like that. You lift the corner and now it makes it look like you flipped over the aces. Then you put the aces here. But that's not really the ace, that's the double back card. That'd be one, same thing. But then when you go to the ace of spades, flip it over like this and put that right there. But make sure it's showing like this, okay? The reason why is because the rest of the aces are over here, so you want to hide that. So when you do that, go like this, okay? And show the last ace like that. Then what you do is you take 3 cards, so you just put them like this. And now you see that all the aces are over here. So you see all the aces over here. Those are the double back cards, okay? And what you do now is you grab this card, right? You bring the double back card to the top, like that. You flip all 3 cards. You don't flash and show them, because when you do that, when you flip it like this, because you got to do a double lift so you can hide it. So when you do a double lift, they're going to notice that one card's missing. So when you flip it, try to, don't flash, very slow, just go like that, show 3 cards. Then you do a double lift, okay? Then what you do is, you can do Chrysandra, how he does it, the move, like that, spread it, it's missing. And if they ask you to look at the back, you can just put that down, grab 2 cards, okay? Flash it like that. Put the king down, flash it again. You can do that way. Sometimes people don't even ask, so you'll be amazed how many people don't ask. If they do ask, just do what I showed you. You can do the same thing for this one, or you can do another one. It doesn't matter, as long as you can get the cards, as long as you can get the double back card flipped over to the other card. But if you can do other ones, that's great. But so far I only know this one. So you go like this. Show them. I do the flip, the double lift. You don't have to do the move, but if you want to, you can. So I just gotta rush through fast. There's no ace. Same thing. Flip like this. That move. Then you say all the aces are missing from 3 piles. But you can do a special move, like you can go, I picked up all the aces from each pile, I threw them down, or you can just say, if I do this and rub it, you'll see all the aces with the spade. And that's how the trick works. I hope you enjoy the trick. I'm sorry if you don't like my cracking knuckles, but that's how the trick works. Don't forget, you're going to need one more deck for the gimmicks. With the double back card, okay? See, hearts, clubs, diamonds, hearts. You can use kings or queens. Some people prefer the numbers because it makes it seem more disguised, but I use kings and queens. So make sure you have your gimmick cards. Get 9 random cards, put 3 rest on the bottom, on the top. And make sure you have 4 aces. That's it. I hope you enjoy the trick, as I said. And, yep, subscribe. Add me as a friend. Send me a message if you want me to do a certain trick, if you want me to reveal a certain trick, just send me a message and I will. Peace.